No, this is a Magnum Everest I'm trying to get on camera. There's nothing really special in it. It's just this takes up all your picking room. The pins are hard to feel. The wording gets in your way. I keep losing number 6 when I get back to the back. Okay, so 1, 2. Let me see something. One, two. That's 5. There we go. I had to get 6. A lot higher than it was. And it's just hard to feel those pins in the back. I have the keys for it somewhere. That's the bitting on it. Those high parts right there that don't really have anything on them, that's where the pins, I mean, that's the high sets. So it's got that little half smiley face with that ridge right in the middle. And like I said, I think it's just a couple standards and some spools, but it's not the easiest lock for what it is. But that's the Magnum Everest.